Hello friends, welcome to Java tutorial. So far we have only seen to assign a single value to variable. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to assign more values to single variable by using arrays. Arrays are fixed length structure for storing multiple values at same time in consecutive memory location. Arrays are represented by square bracket. Memory size depends on the dimensional value. Array is an instance of java.lang.object. Array implicitly extends java.lang.object. Now let's take a look at the structure of array. This figure shows the general structure of the array. Let's talk about the structure. Here the array has 7 elements and each element has specific value. These numbers are the index. The first element has always 0 index. Due to this, the last element is always array length minus 1. In this example, our last element index is 6 is equal to the length of array 7 minus 1. Array can be divided into two types, one-dimensional array and multi-dimensional array. Let's talk about one-dimensional array. One-dimensional array consists of only one dimension. Here is the structure of one-dimensional array. Here the array name is A and this number inside the bracket, it shows the index. This is the structure of one-dimensional array. Syntax of one-dimensional array: data type, variable name, size into square bracket. Here data type is the type of array, variable name refers the name of array, and size refers the total number of element in array. We can also write syntax like this: data type, size, variable name. Let's take a look at the declaration of array. This is the example. Int numbers 4 into square bracket. Here the integer is the data type of array, numbers is the name of array, and 4 is the size of that array. Now let's take a look at the initialization of array. This is how we can initialize the array. Int numbers bracket is equal to, in curly braces you can write values, as many value as you want. Here I wrote 2, 4, 6, 8. This is the structure of this example. Number 0 index contains the value 2. Same way, numbers index 1 contains 4. Numbers index 2 contains 6 value, and numbers index 3 contains the value 8. Okay, so now let's go through the multi-dimensional array. We can achieve multi-dimensional array by arrays of array. Arrays of array means combination of rows and columns. This is the structure of multi-dimensional array. Here rows are represented by horizontal 0, 1, 2 and columns are represented by vertical 1, 2, 3. This is the syntax of multi-dimensional array. Data type, variable name, size 1 and size 2. Data type refers the data type of array, variable name refers the name of array, size 1 refers the number of rows and size 2 refers the number of columns. Let's take a look how to declare the multi-dimensional array. This is the example of multi-dimensional array. Integer is the data type, matrix is the name of array, 2 is the number of rows and 3 is the number of columns. Now let's take a look at the initialization. Here in this example we have 3 cross 3 matrix. This is two-dimensional matrix. In our first row, the value is 1, 2, 3. In second row, the value is 4, 5, 6. And in third row, value is 7, 8, 9. All this value must be enclosed into curly braces. Now let's take a look at the simple example of array. This is the simple example of array. The main thing about this example is how to initialize the array and then how to call its value. This is the initialization of array. Numbers is the name of array. And here I print the value of the array. Values on index number 2 is, this is the concatenation process, and the numbers on index 2. Let's take a look at the output. As you see, this program compiled successfully. Now let's run this program. Okay, so here our output. Value on index number 2 is 6. Okay, this is our index number 0, value is 2. Index number 1, value is 4. Index number 2, value is 6, as you have seen in this output. Okay, so I hope now you have clear idea about the arrays.